Alright, so this right here is a pretty common as well as tricky circle equation problem. So it gives us a graph of a circle equation right here. It's kind of weird, we'll talk about it later. And the xy plane is a circle, so it's asking the length of the circle radius. So we all know that the circle equation is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to radius squared, where a and b is the coordinate of the circle, the center of the circle. So I'm just gonna write this down here: x squared minus x plus y squared minus y is equal to 241 over 2. So what we can do is essentially trying to convert this weird equation here back to the standard form. So what we can do is add 1 over 4 into each of these x and y's. So I will demonstrate it right now. X squared minus x plus 1, let me put this on red, 1 over 4, swap it back, plus y squared minus y plus 1 over 4 is essentially equals to, so you can see that we add 1 over 4 and 1 over 4 into both sides, so we also have to add 1 over 4 two times over here. So okay, well, let me put this on red. Okay, 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4, so it will balance out these 1 over 4 we added. So the reason that we add 1 over 4 in here, so we can group this thing together and then group this thing together, so it will essentially equals to x minus 1 over 2 squared. You can simplify this to this. The same thing goes over here. You can do it like this: y minus 1 over 2. Again, it's just simplifying this thing, so you will get 241 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 is 2 over 4, which is essentially 1 over 2. So 241 and over 2 plus 1 over 2 is essentially 242 over 2. So I'm just gonna rewrite that. 242 over 2 is just 121. Alright, so we got the equation here. X minus a is this value, b is also this value, so r squared, we got our radius squared is equal to 121. So we know that radius is equal to either plus 11 or minus 11. But it is the circle, so the value cannot be negative, so we cross out minus 11, which leaves us to plus 11. So the length of the circle radius is 11. Okay, if you got any question, be sure to ask in the comments, so I'll be sure to go over them. Otherwise, just leave a like and subscribe. Appreciate it a lot.